So in chapter 4, proposal type and taxonomy. So we explain to proposal readers what kind of proposals are we making, or what you are making. Yeah, and from that on, when a voter or assessor reads it, this is usually like a first paragraph into a proposal. They will have a mindset of and expectation what they're going to read from this proposal, what kind of information they will see, what is the goal of that, and this is going to help to kind of narrate and explain the solution and how it's going to be done and where the resources will be spent and how much impact it can have. Because the impact for a loan or a product idea or a community proposal or a business idea, they are all very varied. And so yeah, let's dive into ideating on first. What kind of proposal type it could be, the one we're working on. Then we select one, and then we look is why this proposal fits under selected format. So it gives like a formatting idea here, and describe why you have selected this proposal type. So when we select loan, then you explain why this proposal is a loan. In our case, it's probably something like a service offering or a community proposal where we focus on educating. But perhaps there is going to be one day like a standard of educational proposals or course proposals. Anyhow, and once we have reasoned on the type and we're locked in the code, then we also think about what other labels we could add to the proposal so we can relate to the other proposals. So this helps to network and map the proposals in relation to other proposals, and this will help also with the cross collaboration. For example, we have educational resources and we're providing them, and somebody else, another proposal, another side of the world puts also the education in. And let's say there's 1,000 proposals, we probably won't have time or even chance to meet up like on the platform itself. But if you can click on the same labels or what you are providing and then connect with similar proposals, this could already help you to collaborate, create more proposals together, or cross-share some information, or maybe even you have the same modules or same things you both need to do, but only one has to do the asset. So then you even save time and effort. And yeah, and with that, the chapter 4 will be concluded. All right, so this was exercise of defining a proposal type and doing some taxonomy and labeling work for the proposal. What's the keywords, how it's gonna hashtag out of your backyard. So in this chapter, we ideated on the given resources and then looked into what are we actually offering, and we stick it with the community proposal. So this is going to be a community proposal we're doing, and why this is this proposal provides open source educational resources and social infrastructure. And then we looked also into like other key labels or you would add to your proposals in order to connect with other similar proposals. Yeah, so proposal writing, a bit of events, a bit of modeling, a bit of research. And with that, we completed chapter 4. Details in the description.